Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm gonna be highlighting this Cathy's Kids Fidget Pack. I made this by myself. I DIYed this by myself. And inside there was real fidgets. And here's my homemade myself new. I put it with I used it with tape because it's more better. It's the rectangle. Small, medium, big. We'll get three things. We got small, medium, and big all together, but not in the menu. Not like small, medium, big, and no. But we're gonna be like having these three like that. So first we got rectangle, circle, heart, butterfly, fish, flower. I know what's in the inside, but comment down below what is your favorite in here. Okay, done. Now let's cut this with my scissor. Okay guys, now I'm back with my scissor. Now let's cut the edge. Gonna cut the edge. Okay guys, I already cut the edge. Now let's see the inside. And it seems that we got the you guys, we got the rectangle ones. So cute. It's the mini one. Let's try. Okay, it is so satisfying. Now let's see the medium one. So satisfying. Okay guys, that is super satisfying. Now the big one. Let's try playing them. Fidget. A little hard to pop the middle ones in the camera. Okay guys, so this is all I have here.